So now after displaying the image and this text content here, below that we want to display 2-3 tiles or buttons which contain the text like headache, stomach pain or other suggestions, and when user will gonna click on any tile, that particular prompt will be sent to the chatbot automatically. So it will gonna improve the user experience and make it easier for user to start the conversation. So in order to do that, below this text widget we are going to add another widget, and that widget will be a card widget. So add a card widget, and then in the children we are going to specify a text, and for now that text can contain a word like headache. And after that, if you will press Ctrl S, you can notice that this head tile is added. So let's work on its GUI a little. So firstly we are going to add some padding, so wrap it with padding. And here to specify the padding we are going to use this edge insets dot only, because we want to specify different padding for left and right side. So for left and right side we want to specify a padding of like 10, and then for top we can specify like 5, and also bottom equal to 5. Now let's hot reload. So there you can see the padding is added and it is looking better. Similarly, we are going to make this card more circular. So to do that, we can set a shape property just like before. So to do that, in this card widget, we can set the shape property. So shape, and we are going to set it to rounded rectangle border. And there we are going to set the border radius using this border radius class. And here choose this circular radius and apply like 40. Now press Ctrl S. So there you can see it is more circular and looking better. Similarly, we can change the color of this card. So we are going to apply like white color. So colors.white. And after that we can also change the text color here. So apply a style. And then let's choose red color for now. So text style colors.red. Now press Ctrl S. So there you can see now this style is looking much better as the background is white and also the text color is red. And now after adding this style we need to make it clickable, and to do that we can wrap this card inside an inkwell widget. And here specify this inkwell. So in Flutter this inkwell widget is used to make any widget clickable. So as we have wrapped this card inside this inkwell, so now we can add an onTab method, and this method will be executed once user will gonna click on this card. So when user will gonna click on this card, we actually want to send this prompt to our chatbot, and to do that we can apply the same procedure which we are doing for this speech to text. So in that case we were firstly displaying the recognized text in the text field, and then we are calling this ask DeepSeek method. So we are going to do the same thing. So let's simply copy these two lines, and then we can paste them inside this onTab. But here we are going to set the text in the text field equal to this headache, or we can say I got a headache. And now after doing that, let's simply restart our application, and then simply click on this headache. And there you can see as soon as I clicked here, this prompt is automatically sent to DeepSeek. And there you can see we got the response from our chatbot as well. Similarly, just like this tile, we can add other tiles inside our GUI as well. So now let's do that. So I will gonna restart our application so that we can see the initial view. And then here we are going to wrap this inkwell widget inside a row widget. And after that minimize this inkwell and make a copy of it. And now here for this second tile we are going to change this headache with stomach pain. And now here you can see we got two tiles here. So let's change the color of second tile to like green. And after that, to display these tiles in the center, we can set main axis alignment property inside this row widget. So set it to center and press Ctrl S. And now you can see these are being displayed in the center. Similarly, below these two tiles we can display another tile, and to do that we can simply copy this row and then paste it below. And after that, in this row we are going to remove one tile, and in the other tile we are going to make the changes. So we can say like need a checkup, and then here also need a checkup. So now press Ctrl S, and there you can see the third tile is also being displayed and it is looking better. Similarly, we can apply a different color here, so let's use a color like deep purple. And that's it. So now you can see we have built a beautiful GUI or center part of GUI for this medical chatbot. And here when user will gonna click on any tile, that prompt will be automatically sent to our chatbot.